Hey, it's Jimmy here. 1 year ago, when I was gearing up my Model Y for outdoor adventures, I couldn't find any camp kitchen in the market that would work well for the car. I looked through the entire web and every single product out there would block the access of the sub-truck. Really, every single one of them. I had no choice but to build my own. There's no way that I want to lose this much of storage space. I documented my build process and people across countries and continents were inspired to build their own. Then I also found out that not everyone has the time or tools to build this from scratch. So here it is. This is what I've been working on while I've been gone from making videos. A complete camping kit for the Tesla Model Y, and it ships next month. Hey, if you have been following me for a while, sorry I haven't been able to make new videos. This company thing that I decided to start recently has been quite challenging. My background is in photography and video, and running a company that makes this physical products, but not just products that have already existed, has been very tough, and I want to make videos. That being said, this camper kit will be a limited run through Kickstarter. After that, I don't know how long it will take until I have the ability to make more of these. So if you want it, great, you get it next month. Yeah, we are also doing a giveaway. If you would like to win a camper kit, all you need to do is comment "I want this Tesla camping kit." Make sure you send me a screenshot of your comment so I know where to find you if you do become the winner. At the end of the Kickstarter campaign, I'll ask ChatGPT to randomly choose a winner. If you are a backer and also a winner, you can keep both, or I can also refund you for one of them. See you again very soon. I'll be back and making a lot more videos, hopefully. And in the meantime, remember to stay adventurous, and I'll see you next time.